माय नेम इज सौम्या सरकार और आप देख रहे हैं वेल्थ रिफाइंड ब्लॉग। आज इस ब्लॉग में हम एक नए फंड के बारे में बात करेंगे। आई थिंक दैट दिस फंड कैन बी अ excellent fund in the coming years. I am talking about a new fund which is called ITI, Banking and Financial Fund. Now, I think ITI as a mutual fund house who has recently come into the market actually launched this fund at the right time. Let me tell you why. If you look, the return from the low point of March 2020 till November 2021, you see the Nifty has given a very good return. But if you look at the banking index, you will not see that banking index has given that kind of return. So banking index has a potential to catch up with that kind of return. If you divide it into public and private sector band, you see that private sector banks have done well, but public sector banks have not done well. So we are expecting that probably in next couple of years, government will recapitalize the banks again, and then they will start giving you the return. So banking and financial companies are going to become one of the major boost for the economy. And you see that government has started merging the banks. So that means they are consolidating phase. So after the consolidating phase, usually the growth phase comes in. So because of the growth phase is going to come, I think that ITI Banking and Financial Fund may do very well in the coming years. They are not only investing into banking and financial sector or only into banks, they are going for banking companies, they are going for some kind of NBFCs, credit rating companies, insurance companies and fintech companies. So that means they have a basket of all kind of financial services company, which I feel can be a good option for the investor who are looking for a long-term investment perspective. This fund is going to manage by Mr. Pradeep Gokhale and Pravit Agarwal. These two are seasoned fund manager and they are doing very well since taking up as a fund managers. So I expect that they will manage this fund with utmost integrity as well as value driven performance. I personally think that this fund can be a good option if you are ready for your sectorial bit. Sectorial funds are those funds which particularly invest into a sector, like for pharma sector there are some funds, technology there are some funds, and same the banking and financial services. So banking and financial services being undervalued sector has a potential to become a dark horse in coming years. This NFO is going to close on November 29th, and I hope that this fund is going to generate a good amount from the market for the long-term investors. When I am talking about the long-term investment, you should remember that long-term investment must be there in a sectorial fund is approximately 7 to 8 years kind of a time. You should not put in this fund if you have an investment horizon of 6 months to 8 months or something a year or 2 years, because your bet might go wrong and you might lose the capital also. If your horizon is for a longer period of time, then you may choose this fund depending upon your goal and your advice from the financial advisor or investment advisor. And you may choose this fund through SIP way also, because SIP will do the averaging out of the portfolio. So that means when you are putting the money, you are not going to put the money at a particular level, you are putting the money on a different level. So different level will give you the average out of the things. I am slightly personally bullish on the banking sector overall, provided that the government gives the support to them. And the way the finance ministry and government is giving support, I expect that banking industry will do well in coming years. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, you may subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with this kind of videos again and again. And we will give you this kind of updates about markets and funds on a regular basis. Thank you for watching the video. Namaskar.